in that coming day, no weapon turned against you will succeed. You will silence every voice raised up to accuse you. These benefits are enjoyed by the servants of the Lord. Their vindication will come from me. I, the Lord, have spoken. Period. So guys, I just finished recording. Why is this so close? Step back and dancing kind of close. I just finished recording. Isn't this bomb? I used the S2F products from Eben. Came out really good. There's also some new stuff that I used in my hair today. A melting spray. By the time I release this, it's gonna be out already. But it's a melting spray to help melt your lace, and also a holding gel. It's new and improved, and it's in a new bottle, so I'm gonna include that. I'll probably do like short clips so you seeing it, because I didn't really record me doing this on this. Maybe my next install I'll record this for y'all so y'all can see it. Closures from Amazon. Now don't mind this part because we're gonna cut her off, but I just didn't bring my small scissors with me, so I couldn't cut it. Let me get out of here because I'm already almost here, an hour later than what I normally am, and I need to get up out of here. Like, got stuff to do today. I need to go to UPS.
A sub is a guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his.
Hey, this lane is fire. Look, y'all. So we're in the Louis Vuitton exhibit on 60th Street, and it's a vibe. I'm also doing little reels, so follow me on Instagram so you can see the reels. Ooh, this is a pretty room. It's like pink. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Not me saying this is so cute because I want some thank you. Oh, you designed this room?
Yes, I did.
Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It is good pink color. This is so cute. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Go. Y'all, come get in this video with me. Hurry before my camera die. Did you?
Hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
So dark in here. My nails falling off for me. This is so ghetto. Look at it, it just fell. Look at my nail, y'all. This is so ghetto.
This is great.
I'm about to just pop the rest of them off because why would my personals be out here embarrassing me like that? The girlies didn't even know, but now they know. I'm trying to find, y'all, it's so hard for me to vlog in here on my camera because the lighting, like some rooms are just like pitch black. Some rooms are like, the lighting are a little bit off, but I'm trying to get some on my phone as well, so just work with me. You said that you're gonna tell you to what?
He told me you're gonna sit right there.
They gonna be like, get out. No loitering, get out. Look at this. It's the whales. Remember Dory was like, I can speak whale.
Oh, this is cheap.
I'm getting this for my doggy. It's like a little dog house.
For her not sleeping in.
And then it's a food bowl. Oh my gosh, that's so
I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, oh baby.
fun to dress it.
I had a great time.
I had a blast. Y'all, These are the days when New York, it's actually fun to live in New York. We're about to go get some tacos. I'm hungry. I didn't eat all day. You know what I ate last night for dinner?
What you had?
And I had it at 2 o'clock in the morning. White Castle.
Sleep. Oh, for the
Not sleep for dinner. No, I had White Castle. And I love White Castle. And I ordered 10 burgers. And I ate, no, actually I'm lying. I ordered 8 cheeseburgers, a double cheeseburger. Then they have this new Sloppy Joe burger. It was a spicy Sloppy Joe burger. I ordered that. I ordered fries and I ordered an onion ring. And I bodied it. Well, not all of, I still got 8 cheeseburgers in the house. I ate 1 regular burger, 1 double burger, and 1 Sloppy Joe. So I ate like 3 burgers. I was gonna heat it up before I left to come, but I didn't want it to get far and then doodle up my back.
Either way, it's gonna get fired.
Yeah, but at least if I do that, at least it's in the house and I'm not on the street and then I'm walking thinking I'm a fart. And then it's like, surprise! So I'm like, okay.
Make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
So pretty.
How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
Get it. Oh my gosh, you can't even see me. It's mad dark. Oh yeah, you cannot see me.
The next day.
Hey y'all. So I am at Soho Park right now. We are doing brunch for Najassi's birthday. First of all, let's give it like rich auntie real quick. Let's get into the look real quick. Hold on, let me take my glasses off because it doesn't give that with y'all. You know, y'all my girlies. But I hope I don't get copywritten because they playing music upstairs. Brunch started at 2 and I got here around like 1:37. You know, I came in like, oh, they's like banging upstairs. I don't know what's going on up there. But I came in around 1:37 and I had to change my clothes because they can't take the train here. I was supposed to go to Brooklyn to meet Najassi and then come here, but that didn't work how we were supposed to. So I just came straight here and I had on my, you know, my little Skims dupe, whatever, from Amazon. So I didn't get that for the spot. If I can do a full if I can do like a full body video, I will, so that y'all can see my outfit. But this is real cute. I got it from Shein. I wore it like probably once or twice, and I think one time I wore it to church. So I was like, I need to wear what I actually have in my closet. Like every occasion I be trying to buy a new outfit and I have mad clothes, so it's giving an outfit repeater. But y'all didn't see a picture in this yet, so y'all ain't really see this for real. So, but even if I in my outfit repeater, oh well. Like Christmas, you know, we got a little Christmas get up going on. Of course, everything is upstairs. It's the bar. This is the elevator to go upstairs. Currently, it's 1:54. So we'll see. Hi. It's 1:50. Ooh, it's 1:54. So we'll see what time they actually get here. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So we'll see what time they actually get here. Cause you know, black people.
Morning, after we ask you over. Young lady says, "See what we tell you."
This is Manny, everybody.
This is Manny.
I just met Manny a couple minutes ago, and
Can't stop. See, the thing is when you meet someone, you have to learn to love. you don't understand how precious individuals are, then you never learn to accept other people.
Okay.
Because you have to take a step of humbleness to understand someone else, and then loving comes out.
Let me tell you something. We're
Humble. We're humble.
I want y'all to know
humble.
that I saw Imani's glow from the moment the elevator opened. Okay? So this date and time, capture it, because you're looking at a star. Period.
Thank you.
It's Najassi's birthday. I'm here to turn up. Y'all already know.
We're not doing a repeat of last year.
Through my head, every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together. Oh, baby, I really like what you done to me. I can't believe.
Be back by 11:55. So Najassi's birthday is in 8 minutes. Are you excited, Najassi? Najassi's about to be 25. It's gonna, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 25. It's giving very much old man. You're old, Najassi. You're a quarter of a century. It's like, wow. I hope I don't get copywritten.